Wait, what? It's no longer summer? It's fall? I must have taken the longest nap ever. Oh man, I really am gonna miss summer. Well, good thing about summer is that we have a lot of pool equipment or beach equipment left over. So, today what we are going to do is make an airplane out of a pool noodle. So, grab your pool noodles and get ready to take flight. As a note to parents, guardians, or caretakers, please watch this video on how to cut your child's pool noodle to 12 inches. This part they will need help with as you will be using a sharp knife, and to prevent any injuries, please do this for them. All right, boys and girls, I know it is so sad that summer is over, but maybe you have a pool noodle lying around, and today we are going to be making an airplane and playing a fun activity. Don't worry, if you don't have a pool noodle, they are selling them at the dollar store. That's great! So let's get started and fly airplanes. For this project, you will need a pool noodle cut to 12 inches, a cereal box cut in half, craft foam, duct tape, a marker, scissors, tape measure, hot glue gun, and 2 to 3 nickels. Once we begin the activity, you will need either a beach chair, empty box, floaty, or cone. Instructions to come for the activity. You might be wondering how much this costs. Many of the items can be found at the dollar store, Michael's, or in your own home for a grand total of around $10. That's a bargain. Let's get started. First, grab your cereal box, cut it in half, and place it together. I have done this before, that's why you see the shape already cut out. Grab your marker, and we are going to make the shape of 2 wings. I follow the line of the cardboard box, then make 2 lines of my own. Looks like a square and a triangle. Next, I'm going to make the tail. Similar shape, but a bit smaller. Grab your scissors, make sure that the cardboard is lined up, and begin to cut. It is very important to consistently check to make sure that your pieces are lined together, as you want them as the same size. We have 2 wings. Now let's cut out that tail. Yay! Alright, grab your craft foam, and we're going to put the foam on the wings. Here I show you the right way to place the wings. It's important to flip over one of the wings, that way you have 2 different directions. If you place them going the same way, then they will be the same and it'll be hard to place on your plane. Follow the picture above, or while I'm gluing the wings to the craft foam. Now for the tail, be very careful when you're using the hot glue gun. If you need, grab a parent so they can help you. Push very hard. Now it's time to cut. Cut along the lines of the cardboard and the craft foam. Not only is the craft foam going to give it some color, but also so the plane can fly. This is very important. Now we have 2 wings and a tail. Yours should look something similar to this. Grab your pool noodle,
and the hot glue gun, we're going to start gluing the wings to the edge of the pool noodle. When putting the glue on the end of the wing, it is really important to line up in the middle of the pool noodle and hold for about 10 seconds. That way the wing sticks to the plane. Now we're going to glue the top and the bottom just to secure the wing. Again, hold for 10 seconds. Grab your other wing, line it up with the opposite wing, put some glue on the wing, line up, and hold for about 10 seconds. We're going to repeat the same steps that we did for the other side. Glue the top and the bottom just to secure the wing to the plane. Hold for about 10 seconds. And now it's time for the tail. We're going to put some glue on the end and place towards the back. Hold again for about 10 seconds. Glue both sides. Alright, now that we have the wings and the tail, let's set it aside and grab 2 nickels. Again, you can use 3, but 2 is preferred. Grab your duct tape and scissors. And we're going to cut your duct tape about 6 to 8 inches, so something like this. Next, grab your 2 nickels, place one on top of the other. It's very important that they're both on top of each other and aligned. Next, we're going to roll it in the duct tape. And it should look something like this. Finally, we're going to take our nickels rolled in duct tape. We're going to place it at the front of the plane. That way, our plane will fly. Giving the plane something of weight in the front will actually let it fly. Add a little extra glue to secure the nickels. And we're all done, ready to fly our plane. Here we go.
Alright everyone, now that you have your cool looking plane, we're gonna play a fun activity. So grab your empty box, your beach chair, or your floaty, and we're gonna play a target game with our plane. Let's go.
You can begin by setting up your targets as seen in the picture, and stand about 2 to 3 feet away from your targets with your airplane in hand. Next, we will go over the steps on how to throw your airplane. We will use 3 simple steps to throw our plane: side L, step, and throw. Our first step is a side L. Turn your body to the side and make an L with your arm, as seen in the picture. Next, you are going to step with your opposite foot. This is the foot opposite to the hand you are holding the airplane. If you are sitting, keep your position. And finally, you are going to throw your airplane. Make sure you let go. Let's watch a slow video of all the steps together. A little faster now. Great work! Now, let's play our fun game. Get your targets ready. We will start in 3, 2, 1. If you have a friend that needs help getting their plane, please help them by picking it up and giving it back to them. Now that we are all done, let's see what targets we hit. Did you hit the box or get your plane in the box? What about the chair? Did you hit the chair or get your plane on the chair? How about the floaty? Did you get your plane on the floaty or in the floaty? Great work! I hope you enjoyed this video. Special thanks goes to Frugal Fun for Boys and Girls. For more information, click on the link below or type in Frugal Fun for Boys and Girls.